Why do financial advisors offer steak dinners and have seminars to get in front of you? We're gonna go into that in this video. As many of you are aware, we're distracted as a society. One of the hardest things to obtain is somebody's attention. Between Netflix and Facebook and YouTube and everything else, we have a lot going on. So marketing, is kind of key for any business to survive. You see Nike put out ads and you see car ads and everything else, which is great. And some financial advisors do that as well. But really, the reason financial advisors offer steak seminars or dinner seminars is because it's a much higher entry and much higher risk to hire a financial advisor. If you choose the wrong mattress, you're just going to have a couple bad nights sleep and you're going to be out a few $100s. If you choose the wrong car, well, maybe you might have to go through lemon law or take it in a bunch and you might be out a few $1,000s. But if you choose the wrong financial advisor, that could be detrimental to your entire livelihood, your entire retirement. That might mean the difference between sitting on a beach for the rest of your life and being relaxed to having to go back and work somewhere. So that's why a lot of financial advisors, they'll offer a dinner seminar, because one thing that all of us have in common is we need to eat. And most of us like good food. So financial advisors will offer a steak dinner or a restaurant dinner. And in turn, while you're eating, they will talk about their business. They will talk about their offices. Now, what I don't agree with are financial advisors who bring you in, or any company that brings you in and gives you a sales pitch, right? Because you're kind of a captive audience. So it's not fair to bring somebody in and give them a sales pitch or pitch a product or something like that. Our approach is we bring you in, we give you dinner, and we talk. We answer questions and we talk about our firm and what our processes are and all of that. So, it's really nice because not only do we get to connect with the people that we're sitting down with, they get to learn about our firm. And from there, if they decide that they want to become clients, great. And if not, dinner's on us. It's fine. But the nice thing is it's a way to connect with people in a time that it's becoming harder and harder to get their attention. So the next time you see an invitation for a dinner seminar or come to a meeting or workshop, don't think that it's just there as a sales pitch. A lot of times they're there to give you information and introduce their firm, and you might actually get some really valuable information. I've had a lot of people who have come to our dinner seminars and have left and said, you know what, I'm good with the financial advisor. I don't need one, but I really appreciate the information that you gave me. And I'm, going to walk away with it and apply it to the rest of my life. And that makes me feel good. Even if they didn't become clients, that's the goal of a dinner seminar, is not to make everyone a client. The goal is typically to just introduce ourselves to people who need help. So if we can help someone out that wouldn't be our client anyways and make them better off forever, great. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to see more, you can click here to subscribe, or you can click right here for a video that YouTube will think is best for you. It's their algorithm. Don't blame me for it, but I hope you enjoy.